Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my channel Tech Rabbi. So today we learn how to earn money from micro workers. So let's start the video. Please subscribe my channel and long time see my video and comment. Please comment your comments and your opinion. So let's the video. So at first we're going to website Chrome. So next www.microworkers.com and enter the enter button. So login here. This feature is logged in. The next then go here, what is micro workers is wait what is micro workers? Micro workers is an innovative international online platform that connects employers and workers from around the world. Our unique approach guarantees employer that a tax paid is a tax successfully done, while workers that successfully complete a job get paid. The tax assigned to workers and paid for by employers are simple and quick, mostly completed in a few minutes. Thus they are called Microsofts. This tax includes data mining, data categorization, data tagging, data labeling, data matching, send times analysis, event sequencing, transcription, content compression, content evaluation, surveys, research studios, applications testing, and so much more. Joining microworkers is free. And as an international site, anyone from any country can be a member. Who are the employers? Who are the workers? Can I be workers and employer at the same time? I am a worker. Can I have more than one account? Can I change my name and username? How do I verify my mobile phone number? Can I change my email address? How do I earn money? From this site? If you wish to look for microjobs, click on the jobs tab and browse and browse through the 100 of list tags. Each tag will display a set of instruction, the time to complete it, and the amount you will earn for finishing the job. If you like, you can finish the text. Click on accept this job to accept this. 24 jobs to you. So we learn this I accept this job, accept and restart. To accept this job and the page will display a form where you can enter the proof required by the employer. Otherwise, click on not interested in this job. If you do not wish to perform the job, once you click the not interested in this job link, to the job will no longer be available for you. Once you are ready to start with the pre-test sample, simply click on the next button below. Select the letter of the corresponding correct answer. Corresponding correct answer and a requested text in subject to be reported when requesting for a screenshot, when it is asking for 3 proofs, when I request for email address to be submitted. The link lead you to a different offer that other than what is described in this step. How many jobs per day are you expected to complete in microworkers in order to continue using this service? Here is 4 option to answer the question, and the 3 number question is all of these are valid ways to earn money in microworkers except. Here is 4 option. Another you ones are ready to start with level 1. Simply click the next button below. This is so we can earn by this site. On this site, where can I view my earning and account activity? How and when do I get paid? You need to earn the minimum withdraw. This site is withdraw. You need to earn the minimum withdrawal amount to be able to pay withdrawal request. Once you reach to minimum amount of withdrawal, click on the withdraw tab from the top menu and then click the place a new withdraw request link. You can choose from any of the withdrawal method that suits your performance. More payment option will be available in the future. Announcement will be made once they are in placement. All payments are made is USD. Payment to workers are sent twice a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. This is the video. So we have to earn this site. Can I use my earning to run my own campaign? How do I change my email notification? So this is the video how to earn money from microworkers. The video is finished. Thank you. See you again next, and subscribe my channel please, and comments first your opinion. So let's go next video.